Hello, you're welcome to Ben Ambitious Inventions YouTube channel once again. In today's video, we are coming to look at how to dimension a particular work in Autodesk Autocad. So let's assume we have these diagrams and we want to dimension each of them. You need to set the dimension settings. So to do that, you come to the top, you see annotate. You left click on it, then you see dimension. You see a drop down menu arrow at the bottom at the right hand corner of where the dimension is. Left click on it. The dimension style manager will open. So you can click on new. Then you type the new name you want to set it with. So let's say new dimension. So new dimension. You start with standard. Then use for all dimension. Then we click on continue. So the dimension tab will open. So from the dimensions tab, we can make changes to the dimension so that everything we draw, our lines and everything will be visible for us. So let's go to the line tab. So the color, we can decide to change the color of the line. So let's change it to maybe yellow. Then the line width. Let's change the line width to maybe 0.15. Then the line type, let's make it hidden. Let's make the line type hidden. Then the baseline spacing, let's make the baseline spacing 7. Now extension lines, let's come to the color. The extension lines, let's make the color to yellow. Then the line type, let's make it hidden. Then the line type 2. That one too, let's make it hidden. And the line width, we can make it 0.15. So let's move on to symbols and arrows. You left click on symbols and arrows. So arrowheads. So arrowheads, you can leave it as closed field. The second one to close field and the letter to close field. Then the arrow size, let's make the arrow size 3. Let's make the arrow size 3. Then the center mark, let's make the center mark 2. So 2. Let's make the center mark, let's change it to line and make it 2. Then now let's go to the test. For the test tab, let's maintain the standard. The test color, let's maintain the white. And the fill color, let's maintain none. So now let's continue. So from the annotative, from the test height, we need to change the test height. So let's change the test height to maybe 3. So let's change the test height to 3. Then the rest, we leave them like this. Then from the bottom here, offset from dimension line, let's choose 1. Then let's select the test alignments. Let's select align with dimension line. Align with dimension line. So now we go to the fit. The fit tab. We maintain this like this, either test or arrows. And then the test placement too, we leave it like this. So overall scale 1:1. Then let's go to the primary units. From the primary units, let's set this to decimal. And the precision, let's set it to 0.00 because we are working in decimal. Then we maintain the rest like that. Then this one, the period, we maintain the period. So measurement scale, the measurement scale, we maintain the 1. The 0 suppression, let's turn the leading on. In the angular dimension, we maintain this in decimal degrees, and the precision too is 0. So this is how to set them. So we can leave the remaining of everything like this. So when you are done, then you press OK. Take note, when you are done with your settings, then you press on OK. You press on OK. Then the new dimension, when you click on it, then you change to set current. If you don't change it to set current, it won't work. Whatever you done won't work. So you change to set current. Then now you close the tab. So you left click on the close. So now let's try to dimension our work. So to dimension, you come to the top here. Below it, you see a drop down menu. When you click on it, you see linear, align, angular, and a lot. So let's start with the linear. So let's click on the linear. Then you come and put your cursor at a point where you want to start from. You left click on it. Then you drag to the other point. Then you left click. Then you swipe it upwards. then you left click. So you see our dimension is here, 150. So it means from here to here is 150. Then now, so to dimension a straight line, you just go here, then select linear. You put it at where you want to start from. You left click, then you move the cursor to the next line or the next point where you want to dimension to. That one to you left click, then you drag to the right hand side. So to any point you are comfortable with, then you left click. So you can see 100. So it means from here to here is 100. So let's dimension a circle or an arc. So you come to the drop down menu at where the dimension is. Then you choose radius. Then you left click on it. Then you come and select the circle you want to dimension. So you just left click on it once. Then you drag to the side you want your dimension to be. So you left click on it. So you have your radius. So it means this radius is 14.50. Let's say you want to input a value here like 4 by 4 by r 14.5 or 3 by r 14.5. So it means that this 1, 2, 3 are all 14.5. So you put your cursor on it, then you double click. You left click twice. So you put your cursor here. Then you type, let's say 3 by r, a radius of 14.5. Then you close. So to edit a dimension, you double click on it, then you can make changes to it. You come to angular, then you choose the first line and the second line, then you left click. So it means from here to this one is 155 degrees. So for the angular, that's how you do it. You come here to the dimension section, then you choose angular, then you select two lines, the first and the second, then you left click. So it means from here to this line is 60 degrees. So that's how to dimension your works in Autodesk Autocad. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll respond to your comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time in my video. You can try this or practice it. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll create another video about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further concerns, you can let me know. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. in my next video. Thank you.